Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through mobile ringtone secret tricks. Are you bored hearing the same ringtone again and again? Well, you don't have to be bored anymore because in this video, I'm going to show you an app where you can just select your ringtone at random. So to download this app, just go to Play Store and search for Ringtone Randomizer. Now just install this very first app. After installing this app, just launch this app. Click on allow. Next. Give permission. Now here you can see the current ringtone is showing is my default ringtone. To select some ringtones, just click the bottom left, this plus icon. Now here you can see all the ringtones in my internal storage. Just select the ringtones one by one. And after that, click the top add. And you are done. By this, all this ringtone will be at random whenever I get a call. And after that, just click the bottom this icon here, and here you can see the ringtone was successfully changed. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.